Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we're going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at achievements of Muslim civilization. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's go. Muslim civilization enjoyed a golden age under the Abbasids. Their empire stretched into Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Europe. Merchants crossed the Sahara, traveled the Silk Road to China, and sailed to India and Asia. New products and ideas were exchanged, and the religion of Islam was introduced to many regions. All this fueled the Muslim economy, leading to the development of partnerships, the use of credit, and a banking system. Artisans created manufactured goods for trade, and the government helped improve farming through large irrigation systems. Muslim society allowed some social mobility, the ability to move up in social class through religious, scholarly, or military achievements. Most slaves were household servants, and some were able to purchase their freedom. The children of some slaves could become free under another system. The diverse cultures in the empire, as well as Islam, influenced art and literature. Early oral poetry told tales of nomadic life, while later poets developed elaborate rules for poems. Great Muslim poets include Ferdowsi, who told the history of Persia, and Omar Khayyam, who wrote about fate and life in the Rubaiyat. Storytellers often used short anecdotes to entertain people. In architecture, buildings reflected Byzantine influences, and mosques included domes and minarets. Muslim artists also used calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting, for decoration on buildings and in books. Muslims made great strides in education. Both boys and girls were educated so they could study the Quran. Several cities supported learning centers with vast libraries. There, scholars translated Greek, Hindu, and Buddhist texts. Known in Europe as Averroes, the philosopher Ibn Rushd believed that knowledge should meet the standards of reason. Another Muslim thinker, Ibn Khaldun, studied history scientifically and advised others in avoiding errors. In mathematics, Al-Khwarizmi pioneered the study of algebra. Muhammad al-Razi, chief physician in the hospital at Baghdad, wrote books on diseases and medical practices. Ibn Sina, a famous Persian physician, compiled an encyclopedia of medical knowledge. Both doctors' works guided medical study in Europe for 500 years. Other physicians improved ways to save eyesight and mix medicines. And now our recap. The Abbasids took the Muslim world on a first-class trip through a golden age, stretching their empire across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and even parts of Europe. Their merchants were the original globetrotters, crossing deserts, sailing seas, and trading everything from silk to ideas, introducing Islam along the way. Business boomed with credit, banking, and artisan-crafted goods, while farmers got a leg up with irrigation systems. Society had some upward mobility, though slavery was still a thing, with some paths to freedom. Culture flourished, with poets like Ferdowsi and Omar Khayyam dropping literary gems, and artists turning calligraphy into high art. Meanwhile, scholars hit the books, translating ancient texts and making breakthroughs in philosophy, math, shout out to algebra, and medicine, setting Europe up with study guides for centuries. Basically, the Abbasids were running a golden age startup, and business was booming. There you have it, folks. That is Achievements of Muslim Civilization, Nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Help me with my achievements by saying hi in the comments down below after you smash those like and subscribe buttons for me. See y'all next time on Nutshelled History.